Covalent compounds are compounds that are bound by sharing of electrons between two atoms. And today we're going to talk about how we name these compounds. If you're a little bit confused about what covalent compounds are, I have a separate video for that I would recommend checking out. I'll link it above. As I said, covalent bonds are made by sharing electrons between two atoms. These atoms are always two nonmetals. When we're naming covalent bonds, we always use what is called prefixes. Here's a list of the commonly used prefixes. Prefixes are used to describe the number of that specific atom that exists in the covalent molecule. It's important to note that if there's only one of the first nonmetal in the atom, the prefix mono is dropped. Here's the general formula for how you name covalent compounds. Pause the video and try and figure out how I named the compound below. As I said, there are a couple of rules, like mono being excluded when it's the first prefix in the name, and the element with the lower proton number always comes first in the covalent name. Now let's look at some examples for how we name covalent compounds. You probably already know H2O is water. However, if you name it using the covalent rules, you will get dihydrogen because there are two hydrogens, monoxide because there's a single oxygen. Notice how it's not monoxide, it's monoxide. We drop the O on the mono because there's already an O in oxide. This second compound has two carbons, so the prefix for two is di. And you say dicarbon. Now the prefix for 4 is tetra, so you say tetrahydroxide. Now it's very important that you figure out how to go from the name to the formula, so that's what we're going to practice here. Please pause the video and give it a try. I'll write out the answers below. Alright, that's all I have for today's video on naming covalent compounds. If you could, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye!